In the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive industry, Volvo has once again raised the bar with the highly anticipated 2025 Volvo eS90, a true masterpiece of engineering and design. This all-electric version of the iconic eS90 Sedan promises to redefine the concept of luxury, sustainability, and performance, all within a sleek and captivating package. As we delve into the details of this remarkable vehicle, it's clear that the Volvo eS90 is poised to be a game-changer in the electric vehicle (EV) market. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, this sedan boasts an impressive range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, allowing you to embark on long journeys without compromise. The instant torque and smooth acceleration of the electric motors deliver an exhilarating driving experience, while the advanced battery technology ensures efficient energy management and rapid charging capabilities. But the Volvo eS90 is more than just a feat of engineering, it's a true work of art. The exterior design seamlessly blends Volvo's signature Scandinavian elegance with futuristic cues, creating a striking silhouette that commands attention on the road. The sleek, aerodynamic lines and the distinctive LED lighting signature give the eS90 a bold and contemporary appearance, setting it apart from its competitors. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious, spacious, and meticulously crafted interior. The use of premium materials, such as genuine leather, wood, and metal accents, creates a sense of refined sophistication, while the attention to detail is simply unparalleled. The advanced infotainment system, complete with a large, intuitive touchscreen display, provides seamless integration of your digital world, ensuring a truly connected driving experience. But the real star of the show is the eS90's commitment to sustainability. Volvo has long been a pioneer in environmental responsibility, and the eS90 takes this ethos to new heights. From the use of recycled and eco-friendly materials in the production process to the zero-emission powertrain, every aspect of this vehicle is designed with the future in mind. The Volvo eS90 represents a bold step towards a cleaner, more sustainable automotive future, setting a new standard for luxury electric vehicles. As the 2025 Volvo eS90 prepares to hit the market, it's clear that this car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of innovation, style, and environmental responsibility. With its unparalleled performance, breathtaking design, and forward-thinking sustainability, the Volvo eS90 is poised to captivate the hearts and minds of discerning drivers around the world, ushering in a new era of luxury electric mobility.